Bang, bang, boom.
Outings.
Talk to me. Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Think of chattings? Bang, bang, boom.
Outings.
Talk to me.
The fit. Done, man, with the eye. That.
Don't you see the king, no?
Ali the righteous sir.
Go over the channel and subscribe, guys. Get us to 1K, King&Ally, though.
Yeah.
And remember, the cooking channel, Chef Reed, Chef Alexander. Bang, bang, boom.
We're out. Yeah, guys, we're there.
Bang, bang, boom. Don't know the chefs enough. Don't know the chefs.
Nah, no thing, though.
Yeah, pick.
Alright.
The one you EPIC.
Epic.
Yeah, don't see what I go on, so stay tuned. Watch what I go on.
So far.
So far. Yeah, guys, I'm a brother this year. I'm gonna go over the channel and subscribe. You hear the song I'm gonna play? Dun, 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 dun. You know the Backstreet Boys there? Yes, Simone, take him in. He's not normal, you know. Multi-talented.
What's your number?
Yeah. Them for know. And the girl king, play the one that make me sing. Peace and love. No more violence. Bang, bang, boom. Don't see what I go on, dog. Me and the bad boss there. We have to say to the people, then, my brother.
Boy, this has been a day.
Talk to me, eh? Yeah, man, I'm coming in my big brother, you see me? Don't know what I go on.
Big brother, but him look younger.
Yeah, so Miss Mackenzie, big up yourself, you know, don't know the shreps. You see me? We're there today with Andrew. Go and wall out to him. He's not going well. Yeah, explosion around us, guys. Yeah.
Epic.
E-E-I-C. Epic. Yes, over there. Don't know the vibes of what going though.
Oh my, look at this. Look at
yeah.
Oh
hey
God.
guys, watch out now. We'll come vibe and cook for Andrew today. So, you know, this is gonna be a vlog and a little mini mukbang. So I'll just give it now. And if I go, you don't know, give you know the rundown.
Like you a grade now. Presentation with what we had?
Yes.
9 out of 10.
You feel like you want to get the camera
close up.
Aroma.
No, take a picture already.
Okay.
Aroma, 10 out of 10.
Hey, now please.
Yeah, here we are going, guys.
Chicken skin. KFC, only need to forget the recipe here.
Bap, bap, boom. Same I go at night.
Come, brother. Guys, him request water. It's not, him a try, you know, reduce the sugar and that is good. Always drink water, that's good for you.
No wonder why I'm alone eat today. Feel him there today.
Guys, yeah, we come give him a treat and we've been vibing with him from morning, so we're going to just show the clips up there, so.
Yeah,
see,
right
see
over
that?
the part there.
Man, I go all in, brother.
Yeah, all in. Yeah, guys, and...
Hey, hold on, make them get, yeah.
Oh shit! You rock, dude.
Bro. Yeah, guys, I just saw we go at work. We come today, we vibe and we just cook some food and chill and go and enjoy the day. And I'm gonna see some clips before when we just come and all of that, and when him playing guitar, cause talented guys.
Yeah, so we're gonna put the guitar clip in the picture, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna put it up there, so.
Yeah, and you don't know, we're gonna tell you now a little update at the same time we're there, so we don't know.
And guys, hold on the babe. We forget to vlog when we did a come. And unfortunately, the night had jarred down. So, yeah, so we can't go back that video when we are go back.
Peace officers, don't lock me up. We don't curfew pass. I'm about to lock me up today.
Yeah, guys, and make sure.
We are begging you.
Alright.
Give them a blind officer.
Make sure you follow with Instagram because we take some bomb pictures that we are going to post over there. So, it's going to be on the screen in the description. All the good stuff. So, you see, Andrew enjoy meal. Yeah,
I'm busy.
Man can't even talk, guys.
Exactly.
Guys, the man can't even talk.
Exactly.
Can't even talk. None at all. Oh gosh.
Yeah, so
look
today.
how you enjoy yourself though, bro. Oh, what's today?
Hey,
Alright.
Today was very good. We, vibe, we enjoy ourselves. And guys,
we need to look out. We are coming with a skit series.
Yeah, we have a skit series coming soon.
Very, very soon, guys. I'm wanting to tell you what I think about
and
it.
I could give them peace I know my brother. My brother, eh?
My woman giving me bun, man. She giving me bun. I can't take it anymore, man. I can't take it anymore.
We're going to drop one of that over there, guys. And comment down below which skit you want to see us do.
Tell me what you think in the comment section,
yeah,
guys.
You know what to do.
Tell me what you think. And the next thing, remember to like the video, share it out, and subscribe.
Guys, and it might look a little bit dark because we forget we ring light and all of that. But bear with us, we don't understand. We just, this wasn't even planned. We just comfy, enjoy and all of that. So bear with us. Yeah, and as somebody that was said, no matter cost we if we not see the full preparation and the meal full preparation and the meal go over to our cooking channel. There's lots of video over there. It's always cooking with Chef Alexander. It's always pinned in the it's always pinned in the comment section and it's always in the description. So go over there, drop a subscribe, like up the video, then keep up to date.
Get us to 1K, guys.
And guys, you can also book us for your,
your
home
function,
dining and all of that.
Function, the wedding, the party. Yeah. We don't really do 9 but we'll do it. Just say the word, guys.
Yeah.
And remember COVID, so you know the restrictions.
Yeah, we have to keep up with the restrictions, so you can't call it overnight and say come and we have to, you
have to prepare.
Don't want to get
everything because remember, our thing is we do it in a strategical way.
Yeah, plan and organize everything properly.
You understand? So you can't just call up on short notice.
Guys, nobody kill up on yourself. We will come and all out if you don't watch the cooking channel. Guys, no worry on yourself. We have a banger, something I come for the summer. Hey guys, we are going to explain that on a whole video.
We're not have to talk about this right now.
Yeah, but we are giving it in a different video.
We have to talk about this right now. And we don't really want to draw this out because you can see the night kind of dark and we don't really want
to... But we don't understand still.
We don't get the drift and we don't like the content them, we don't love the video them.
Yeah.
And we kind of finally come to the conclusion now, guys. Yeah, we come to the conclusion where we have to start post 4 videos weekly.
Yeah.
You understand?
It's
not really 4, it's 3, but on Sunday we're giving our bonus.
Extra video. So we will be posting on Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Sunday,
Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, every other day.
Yeah.
And these days we're not only used to the 8 o'clock videos, but the videos are coming a little bit sooner now, 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
We don't appreciate it just the same.
Just the same.
Yeah.
And
so
remember, guys, like up the video. And you see
you wearing the black shirt with dark light night like we over yourself.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
It's a man in a blue shirt.
Subscribe.
A white Navon, one of them look a nice shirt.
Yeah, I mean, you know.
And one of them nice shoes then. You can't see.
Just follow Instagram and see the fit.
What you have on? The clocks are here. If the clocks are here, you do it yourself, brother.
Bro, God.
You don't know. AK, yeah. Bam, bam, boom.
Yeah, guys. So we are gonna just leave, you know, now. Stick around for the skits and all of that. Bang a video them and come. I will love the support that we're getting. It really melts our hearts when we're reading the comments. Really good. So without further ado, just want to like up the video, share out the video, them follow with Instagram, and just keep the love going. And for all our new subscribers, welcome to the AK gang.
And for all the old subscribers, cause you forget that one.
No.
Remember, you know, new broom, when new broom come, it sweep, and old broom hold the corner. Old broom never gonna away.
Yeah.
So here where you see the old broom there.
Now pushing out,
so
guys.
old subscriber then. Hey.
Big up on yourself, on the day from the beginning.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Sure no man.
Horses and horses. Roaches and cockroaches.
Look out feed soon, guys.
Look out for the video
no more. And we'll be doing notification shout outs. So right now we just want to give a huge shout out to Nick and Cher. We know what going good.
Hey, Nick and Cher. Bam, bam, bam.
Big up, and we really appreciate the love and support.
We really appreciate it. And you don't know it go both ways, you know. Record no spin for one side, you know.
We really appreciate it.
Nick and Cher.
Big up on yourself.
Big shout out to you.
Yeah, man.
We keep it coming, and we just return the favor too. And we appreciate that. Because people are come over and say Nick and Cher send them.
Yeah, guys, and we love it. So
and we're glad so look all who come and say Nick and Cher send, you know.
Yeah, and if you don't like them, look, sit down eating mukbang style here, you just drop it down in
the
comment
mukbang
section.
This no napkin, no nothing.
Real mukbang.
Yes,
real mukbang.
Bang, bang, boom.
Yeah, guys. So, you don't hear Andrew respond to the food.
What I know?
Can I give a review?
Yeah, man, give it a review. See the man don't eat now.
13 out of 10.
Hey, don't play now. Guys, you don't play.
Yes,
you hear that?
You hear that?
So,
13 out of 10.
We're going to just give you
Guys.
the confirmation we need and just close up the video here. So, you don't know?
You, Mr. Man.
Yeah.
In a blue shirt. Yeah, and you in a black clocks, me attack. Yeah. We're going to leave you with a banger. We're going to leave you with the thought for the day.
Yes, guys.
Andrew, you want to tell them the thought for the day today?
Right. Be grateful. A family will say. Be grateful of those around you who really support you and look out for you. Don't try to beg, friend. That never work out properly.
No.
Those who are with you from end to beginning, Alpha to Omega. Never have to worry about them. Day one.
Alright.
Hear that, guys? You don't need nothing more someone to do. In everything you do, put God first. Remember to pray and leave it to the Lord. It doesn't matter what it is. So, you don't know, we're going to leave
Well,
it.
I know, man. You Andrew give it my thoughts. Yeah, guys, and remember, I'm always telling you, know. This is how I'm always telling you. What some man where you par with some girl where your wife up, my friend, give me a knife cut. Bang, bang, boom.
Bro.
Yeah, I'm still